Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to change eBay password. If you want to change eBay password, what you can do is firstly open the eBay app. After you open the eBay app, tap on my eBay, which will be at the bottom. After you tap on my eBay, scroll down. After you scroll down in accounts, you will see help and settings. Tap on settings. After you tap on settings, you will see account, general, support, about, and many more things inside of this. But what you need to do is you need to tap on sign in and security account. Tap on sign in and security. After you tap on sign in and security, you will see over here passkey, change password, and many more things. But tap on change password. After you tap on change password, you need to wait for a second. Now over here you need to enter your street address, phone numbers, and you need to tap on continue. Like this you can change password on eBay. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.